Yes, class, good morning. Before starting today topic, I want some discuss with you. First point, you note down every questions in your notebook which is solved on the board. Second point, you solve every question which you got in home assignment. Third point, you submit your home assignment in appropriate time. It means your present depend on your submission your home assignment. If you submit your home assignment appropriate time which is allotted you, then you get the present marks. Otherwise, if you not submit your home assignment in appropriate time which is allotted you, then you will get the absent marks. So you every student listen it very carefully. You submit your home assignment in appropriate time which is allotted you. So these 4 points you note down, keep in mind it, and then start the today topic. Today topic here, problem solving exercise 1.1. First question completed in last lecture. Today I am taking the second question. So now question number second here. Let set A are given. Element of the set A are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is the element of the set A. Insert the appropriate symbol. These two symbols here are given, belongs or does not belong. This is the Greek symbol here, belongs and does not belongs. In the blank space, here those blank spaces are given. So you will put this any one symbol here. Those are required here. First of all, belongs. Belongs means relation. Means element 1 is relation of the set A, element 2 is relation of the element was belongs set A, element 2 is belongs set A, element 3 is belongs set A, element 4 is belongs set A, element 5 is belongs set A, and element 6 belongs set A. So this is means having the relation belongs. Otherwise, this means not relation of this, not present in this. So look here, 5 is belongs A, then you will symbol here put 5 is belongs. Next, second part here, 8, element 8 is not here, but then you will write here 8 is does not belongs, 8 is does not belong, 8 is not belongs here because in set A, element 8 is not here. Suppose 8 is element here, then it will belong here. 0, third part here 0, for 0 is not in set A, then you will also write here is does not belongs because 0 is not element of set A, 0 is not element of set A, 8 is not element of set A, 4, look here, 4 is element of set A, then yes belong it, then you write here yes is belong it, 4 is belong to set A. Next 2, you look here 2 is belong set A, yes we can write here 2 is belong set A. And next here 10, 10 is not element of set A, it means 10 is not belong set, does not belong, means 10 does not belong A, means 10 is not element of set A. So those belongs and does not belong, very simple things, but understand these things. Belong symbol is making a relation, does not means not making a relation. So then you note down. Then next question. Yes students, next question I am taking question number 3 here. Write the following set in the roster form. You know you can represent only set 2 form, roster form and tabular form, set builder form. So this is given here, this set builder form you can convert in the roster form, other roster form or tabular form. Both the roster form and tabular form the same thing, and this is form is given here set builder form. So now question number first, set A, you have given x such that x is an integer and minus 3 less than x and less than 7. Solution here. First part. First of all, you look this part here. This is the limit. Here using the less than sign and less than sign both sides. Not using here the equal sign here. Means here using 3 less than x less than 7. Means value of the x more than minus 3 and less than 7. It means you state this value of the x more than minus 3 and less than will be 7. This is the inequality symbol here. This symbol here less than means in this type symbol here less than equal greater than equal less than, in this type symbol is called the inequality symbol. These are name of in this symbol is the inequality symbol. How to read it? This is the simple, this is the less than, or then you read less than equal, less than and less than equal. Then you can write here greater than, or this is greater than equal. So if these four symbol here, you can these four symbol here of inequality symbol. So means how to read this? Value of the x more than minus 3 and less than 7. First solution here, value of the x means set A. What value of the set A here? More than minus 3. So more than minus 3 means minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2 and 3, 4, 5 and 6. Not including your minus 3 and 7 because your open interval. Equal sign means including ending limit. Suppose you are using equal sign, then using the ending limits also. Suppose not including equal sign means less than only here, means ending limit will be not using. So those limit are here ending, this will be not using. Means here minus 3 and here 7. Suppose you are using the only symbol here less than, means this limit will be not using. Between this integers you will use here. Suppose you are using equal sign means these two limit also using. Suppose equal sign here or equal sign here remove, then ending limits will be not using here because here only open interval. Means include signing, this means this is the closed interval. So yes, the question solution of the first here. So what solution of this first part here? Value of the x more than minus 3 and less than 7. This is your solution of the first part. Second part x. What is the x? This is the first, second, third. All three part here set builder form. Then you will convert in the tabular form. X such that x in natural number less than 6. Means what value of the x? This is the set building here. X is natural number or limit of the natural number less than 6 means less than 6. So then this means set B. You know what is the natural number? Natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 dash dash dash. These are called the natural numbers. Or what is the limit of the natural number? Less than 6 means 6 is less than 1 to 5. Then you write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. X such that x is a natural number which is a limit having here less than 6. So these are the natural number and limit here less than 6 means 1 to 5. This is the solution of the second part. Very simple thing here. Similarly here third part. This set of the letters in the word trigonometry. Here spelling here given, trigonometry here given, and what set of the letters here. You know, when you write a set, you have to keep in the mind two rules. First, suppose you are not required here the sequence. Second rule here means don't repeat any letters, any digit or otherwise any letters. Here letters means don't repeat any letters here. So what set here. First you write the T. Here write the according to the rules of the set. You elements always write in the small letter. But here already write the word in capital letters. Here this letter already write here the capital letters. Then you write here the capital. Otherwise, suppose you write the simple trigonometry, then you write here small letters, because elements of the every set in small letter. But here special case means here write already capital letter, then you write here capital letter. The T, first R, T R I, next G, next O, next N, next M, E, P is repeated, R already here came, and Y. Means those letters are repeating, so don't write here. You write only one times, single times. The T is single, R here single, I, G, O, N, M, E, Y. Every letter here single times. Don't repeat you letters. First, this is the second rule. According to first rule, you can write the any sequence. Means suppose you write the trigonometry set in this way. Suppose you starting the Y, E, M, T, R. This is not matter. What is your sequence? This is the rule first. You write any sequence. This is not matter. At second rule, according second rule, you will don't repeat any letter, any digits. So here, not repeated any digits here, any letters here. It means rule first, follow the rule first and rule second. So these three parts your solution. This is your solution. This is your solution of third part. Note down it and then start the next question. Yes, student, next question I am taking question number 4. Question number 3rd or question number 4 in opposite. Question number 3rd you convert in the roster form, and question number 4 you write the following set in set builder form. Roster form you are given, you convert in the set builder form. Or you keep in mind this thing, when you convert in the set builder form, you observe the question very very carefully. The question in which pattern is given, which series you are given, which identity you are given, which pattern you are given. Then you have, before solving the question, you observe when you convert in the set builder form. Here given 3, 6, 9, 12. But first part your solution. 3, 6, 9, 12. You look here. This 3, 6, 9, 12 having a relation. Which relation here? This is the relation multiple of the 3. 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12. Means in these elements, in these numbers having a relation of multiple of 3. When you solve the question in set builder form, you check what relation given in the given numbers, given elements. Here relation given 3 1 is 3, 3 2 is 6, 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12 means multiple of 3. Then you write the solution. So means solution of this x such that x, this such that form, this is set builder form, x such that x equal to 3n. X such that x equal to 3n means multiple of 3. And what is n here? N is belong to natural number. You know, suppose this is the n. This n is the not represent the natural number. Natural number is represent the capital N. The natural number is represent the capital N. Small n is not represent the natural number. Then you write here n belong n means this small n belongs to natural number. This small n belongs to natural number, and in which limit natural number starting one and so on, means no limit of the natural number, then natural number, what is the limit of the natural number in this set? Limit of the natural number in this set starting 1, 3 1 ja 3, means 1 ja, 2 ja, 3 ja, 4 ja. Then means n is belong equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. Understand it? What value of the n? Means n belongs to n. First thing, means value of the n 1, 2, 3, 4. When you put here n equal to 1, suppose 3 into 1 this is equal to 3, 3 into 2 this is equal to 6, 3 into 3 this is equal to 9, and 3 into 4 equal to 12. All element came here. When you putting the 1, 2, 3, 4, so means limit of the natural number greater than equal to 1 and less than equal to 4. This is the equal sign also using here. This means 1 and 4 also including. 1 and 4 also including, because they are right the equal sign. This symbol is, how to read this symbol, less than equal to, means those number here right back side including this number, those writing the number right side, this also including, because equal sign here. So means value of the n here 1, 2, 3, 4, ending limit also count here. Then if you putting here in this identity, in this formula, then you will get the element 3, 6, 9, 12. This limit you will put in this identity, then you will be get this element. This using this limit in this identity, then you will get this elements. So this is your answer. Second part. 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 and 32. Same things here. First you observe element is in which pattern, which series, which identity. So now you look here 2, 4, 6, 8, 16 and 32. Means when you putting 2 exponent is 1, then is called the 2 exponent is 2, then is 4, 2 exponent is 3 is 8, 2, 4, 6, 2 exponent 4, here 16, 2 exponent here 5 equal to 2 exponent 5 32. Here 2, 4, 8, not here 6, sorry, here 2, 4, 8, 16, they are not 6. Element 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So 2, 4, 8, 16, 32. So these element you, so when you putting these exponent are natural number, exponent 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, exponent are natural number. So means when you write the natural number in the exponent form, then you will get these elements. When you write the natural number on exponent form, then you will get the value of these elements. Now look here, x such that x equal to exponent n. This is the 2 exponent n, x such that x equal to 2 exponent n. Or what we are n belong is n, means what value of the n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Value of the n here, value of n belong is n, and value of the n here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many value are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5? Then you will get here, means limit of the n 1 less than n less than equal to 5. Value of the n here, what is the limit of this n? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So how to write this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 here in the limit form? Means 1 less than equal n less than equal to 5. So then you can write this form. So this is your answer of second part. How to make this element in the set builder form? First you observe this, look the relation of the elements. The relation of the element I am looking this way, means n is belong 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Then write the n is belong in the exponent form, not multiplication form. In this question, n is the form multiplication form. In this question, is the exponent form. The next third part. Third part here. Third part is given 2, 4, 6 dash dash dash. First, you observe here what lesson given here 2, 4, 6. Remember, keep in mind this thing. These are the even natural numbers, not odd numbers, not whole numbers, not prime numbers. These are the even natural numbers. Very simple thing here. You can write here x such that x is an even natural numbers. Or here write that dash 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 means no limit. They will go in the indefinite form. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 15, 16, any all numbers here, not limit here. Then you write here x such that x is an even natural number. Means you have no limit here, not required here limit also here. Because you have no limit, then also not limit here. Suppose you have limit, then you write here limit. Limit means in this form. This is called the limit of the. This is limit. You are not required in this form here. This form is not required in this question because here no limit. This part is called the limit. This part also called the limit. Here not write the limit because in this question is not limit. Then this is your answer of third part. Understand? Here suppose write the indefinite form means number is not the fixed. Then you write means limit is not required. In this question, you write the simple form x such that x is an even natural numbers. Means all natural numbers, not all natural number, all even natural number. This means all natural number, here all natural numbers. Yes, note down it. Then next question start.
उसने TikTok पे
Yes, students. Next question I am taking here question number 5th. List all the elements of the following sets. Here given some sets and you will be find out how many elements in these sets. First set, second set and third sets. So these are different type questions. So now the solution here first part. You are right, A is equal to x such that x an odd natural number. This form you are given in the set builder form. You write the answer in the toaster form. This is very easy. So here set x such that x is an odd natural number. You know odd natural number 1, 3, 5, 7. 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash. Because here no any limit in this question. X such that x is odd natural number means no limit here of odd natural number. Then you will be write here 1, 3, 5, 7 dash dash dash. Suppose in question having the limit, then you write the limit in the solution also. But question not having the limit, then solution not having the limit. Then you write the dash dash dash. Second part. Here set B. Set B are given x such that x is an integers. You know integers number line. This is the integers number line. This is center is 0. Right side 1, 2, 3 and 4. Left side -1, -2, -3 and -4. This number line is called the integers number lines. And x such that as an integers. Or what value of the integers? Value of the x here. What limit of x? -1/2 less than x less than 9/t. Here write the fraction form. -1/2 means this is the position. This is just half of this is the -1/2. Or 9/2. What the meaning of the 9/2 means? 4.5. This is a 5. This is the 4.5. This is the position of the 9/2. This is the position of the 1/3 on integers number line, or this is the position of the 9/2 on integers number line. So then you will write here not the equal sign. This is only less than. Means ending limits will be not including here. Ending limits will be not including because here only less than symbol. This is the less than symbol, not including your equal symbol. This is a different thing. This and this is a different thing. Here including means and using the ending limit. This symbol means not including the ending limit. This is the open interval. This is the close interval. Yes. So integer number line. The integer number line means between this and this. Value of the x between this and this. So what value of the between this and this? 1/2 means between this 0 or between this 4. In this number 0 to 4. All integers will count here. So what answer here? 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4. This is your answer of second part. This is your answer of the first part. A very simple thing here. Very integers number line. This is integer number line. Position of these integers. This is the position of this -1/2 means this is the position -1/2. This is the position 9/2. And between this all integers 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. This will be not using. This will be not using because they are open interval. Clear? Next. This is a very simple thing. And third part here, C equal. What is the value here? X such that x is an integer. First you look here, okay, x square. First you look here, x square less than equal 4. This inequality is given. This is the form of the inequalities. This is the form of the inequalities form here. First you convert in this inequalities equation form. Now what equation form here? This is equal sign I are using here. This is the equal sign I are using. Then you write the x square equal 4. Then x equal plus minus 2. The value of the x plus minus 2 means -2 to +2. This is the integer also means same things here. This is the integer number lines. This is the 0, -1, -2, -3, +1, +2 and +3. That's means value of the x -2 to +2. Or here using the equal sign also here. Then means this limit also using these two limits. That means element C here, set C here -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. This is your answer. So this is your also fair work. This is the rough work, but this is also fair work. The first you will convert inequality equation form. Find the value of the x equal -2 to +2. Then you write on integer number line -2 to +2. And this is the equal symbol also here. That means ending limit also counting here. This -2 or +2 also count here. That means -2, -1, 0, 1 and 2. Because they are in equal sign using here. Suppose this equal sign we removing, then -2 +2 will be removing. Only -1, 0, 1. So this is your answer. So note down it. This is a very important questions. Then start the new topic.